Discover the lion's hidden role.
Hashtag ecosystem balance, hashtag Lion King, hashtag nature facts. What if I told you that lions do much more than roar, hunt, and rule the savannah? What if their true power is something most people never notice, something that quietly shapes entire ecosystems? Today, we re-uncovering the hidden role lions play in nature and why the world would look very different without them. Lions are often called the king of the jungle, even though most lions actually live in grasslands and savannas rather than dense jungles. These powerful animals are among the largest predators in Africa. A fully grown male lion can weigh up to 250 kilograms, and they usually live in groups called prides. A pride can include several females, their cubs, and one or more dominant males. But lions aren't important just because of their strength or hunting ability. Their real importance lies in how they help keep nature in balance. To understand this, we need to understand what an ecosystem is. An ecosystem is a network where animals, plants, insects, and even tiny microorganisms all interact with one another. Each species plays a role. Some animals eat plants, some animals eat other animals, and some break down dead material and recycle nutrients back into the soil. When every piece of this system works together, the environment stays healthy. At the very top of this system are animals known as apex predators. Apex predators are species that have no natural predators of their own. Lions are one of these top predators, and their position at the top of the food chain gives them a powerful influence over the animals below them. One of the most obvious roles lions play is controlling herbivore populations. Herbivores are animals that eat plants, such as zebras, wildebeest, buffalo, and antelope. These animals rely heavily on grasses and vegetation for food. Without predators like lions, herbivore populations could grow extremely large. At first, this might sound harmless, but it can quickly become a serious problem. If too many herbivores are feeding in the same area, they can overgraze the land. Grass disappears, young trees get eaten before they can grow, and the soil becomes exposed. When soil is exposed, wind and rain can wash it away, damaging the land even further. Over time, areas that were once green and full of life can become dry and barren. By hunting herbivores, lions prevent these populations from growing out of control and help protect the vegetation that supports the entire ecosystem. But lions influence nature in another fascinating way that many people don't realize. Scientists call it the landscape of fear. Even when lions are not actively hunting, their presence changes how other animals behave. Prey animals like zebras and antelope are always alert, watching and listening for predators. Because of this, they avoid certain areas where lions might be hiding or hunting. This constant movement prevents herbivores from staying in one place for too long. Instead of grazing a single patch of land until nothing is left, they move across the landscape. This allows plants and grasses time to regrow and recover. In this way, lions shape the environment simply by being present. Their existence creates patterns of movement that help maintain healthy grasslands. Lions also support many other species in ways that might surprise you. When a lion pride makes a kill, they rarely eat every part of the animal. After the lions finish their meal, scavengers arrive. Vultures circle above and quickly gather. Hyenas, jackals, and even smaller animals come to feed on the remains. Insects, beetles, and bacteria then break down what's left. This process provides food for dozens of different species. A single lion kill can support an entire community of animals that rely on scavenging to survive. Without large predators making these kills, many scavenger species would struggle to find enough food. Unfortunately, lions themselves are now facing serious challenges. Over the last century, lion populations have dropped dramatically. In the early 1900s, scientists estimate there were around 200,000 lions across Africa. Today, fewer than 25,000 remain in the wild. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats. As human populations grow, more land is converted into farms, roads, and settlements, leaving less space for wildlife. Human-wildlife conflict is another problem. When lions attack livestock, farmers sometimes retaliate to protect their animals. Poaching and illegal hunting also contribute to the decline of lion populations. When lions disappear from an ecosystem, the balance they help maintain can quickly begin to break down. Conservationists around the world are working hard to protect lions and the environments they depend on. National parks and wildlife reserves help create safe habitats where lions can live and hunt naturally. Wildlife rangers patrol these areas to prevent poaching and protect both animals and ecosystems. Some conservation programs also work with local communities to reduce conflict between people and lions by providing better livestock protection and alternative sources of income. Protecting lions isn't just about saving one iconic animal. It's about protecting an entire chain of life. From the grasses that grow in the savannah to the vultures circling in the sky, countless species are connected to the presence of these powerful predators. So the next time you see a lion in a documentary or wildlife video, remember that you're not just looking at a strong hunter or a symbol of power. You're looking at a key guardian of nature's balance, a species whose hidden role helps keep ecosystems healthy and alive. If you enjoyed learning about the secret role lions play in nature, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves wildlife. And stay tuned because there are many more amazing secrets of the natural world waiting to be discovered.